If you're looking for a custom home on acreage located in a gated community, this is the home for you. If you've been thinking of hosting large family gatherings, holiday parties, or a big group of friends, you're not going to find a better kitchen than this. This kitchen features top-of-the-line appliances, including a Viking range with 3 ovens, a 6-burner gas range, plus even a griddle. You've got a pot filler as well, with a wine fridge and a large island. You've got over 5,800 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, a study, game room, and a media room. You've got a great outdoor entertaining space, from the covered back patio, pool, spa, even a summer kitchen. For any questions or to schedule your private tour, give the Bridget Moore Group a call today.